Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Man, crazy start to the day. Probably gonna be a late upload. My apologies. I freaking went to film, slapped my memory card in the thing, and it snapped in half, so I had to go get another one. Didn't work. Had to go back and get another one. It works. It's actually a better memory card too, so let me know if the picture's better. Actually, let me know down below. I'm curious. I think it might be. I'm stuck. Also, while we're apologizing, sorry for the lack of uploads lately, boys. I have been going through a lot of bad anxiety at this time of year, as a lot of people do. I just wanted to put that out there, man. If you guys are working through stuff like that, it's mad hard. I've been in bed, you know, just shaking and like crying like a little baby. It sucks. But we won't get too sappy with it, man. Back to old name brand. And also, I spent a lot of money on this video, so if you guys want to leave a huge thumbs up, comment down below, that would be awesome. There's no reason I should spend this much on one video, but I did it for y'all. We do it for the boys, man. But first things first, man, we got a word from our sponsor. Now, this video is brought to you by Rose Gold and Black, boys, our favorite people. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna speak for them for a second. They're there for you. They're there to make you stylish, and obviously, if you guys like style, you do, because you're on this channel. These guys are gonna hook you up with the coolest styles, in my opinion, super low-key jewelry for a really good price, and I'm gonna talk quality for a second because this really hits home to me. You guys know I break a lot of things. You guys know I'm not very careful with anything. I've had a lot of real gold diamond chains that I've broken. I've been wearing rose gold and black pretty much every day for a year. Nothing's ever broke on me. Like, you gotta understand, boys, the quality of these items, it isn't cheap. Like, you are for sure gonna get your money's worth. Now that I'm looking at this too, they got RG and B there. The details, bro, the details. Just a minimal style with a black shirt, man. My favorite necklace that they have personally. This is the minimal gold bar necklace, boys. Absolutely great piece. So simple, yet such a huge statement. It's really all you need to wear. You don't need to have the clunky. Sometimes, oh god, I can't swear. Sometimes I just feel like that stuff's a little tacky. This right here is insane. I love it, especially with my favorite bracelet right here. It's called the Tuscan Beaded bracelet, if for some reason you guys want to copy my fit. Absolutely beautiful piece. I don't take this off. With their bracelets, man, they have such a plethora of them. Actually, they've got a plethora of a bunch of items on their website, from watches to necklaces to rings to bracelets. Just a ton of stuff. Different colorways. It's great. Now let's get on to the fun part, boys, the discounts. If you click the link down below, 25% off it'll get you. That's not it. You'll also get 10% off if you use the code NAMEBRAND at checkout. So that's 35% off. Like, that's a lot of money. It's no brainer. Go click the link down below if you guys want to. Absolutely killer. The best part though, they just introduced this. Rose Gold and Black right now is giving away a free item with any one of your purchases. So you're not only getting one thing or two things, whatever you're putting in your cart, you're also getting a bonus item. Same great quality. You really do have to act now with these discounts, man. I can't really stress that enough. Appreciate it. Let's get on to the video.
That's the new peaks.
Alright, boys, let's get on to it. I just said at the beginning of the video, we spent a lot of money on this video, which doesn't make a lot of sense because YouTube's just not recommending our stuff right now. I don't even know if I can say that. It's just not happening. I've been well-behaved too. This is probably the most well-behaved stage of my life. Anyway, we spent like $1,200 on this video, so once again, if you want to help me out with this by thumbsing it up, that'd be dope, but we had to do it because you guys have been asking me to review this so much, and honestly, it looks killer. Like, I say I don't wear fake jewelry, and I really don't, but like, I don't know about it. I might have to wear this. Look at that Shop GLD's newest diamond bracelet. Now, if you guys know the quality of GLD, a lot of people get mad at me of how I talk about them, which doesn't really make much sense. All I say to them is I'm never gonna buy something real from them because most people know Shop GLD only makes fake stuff. That's what they think. They do make real stuff, but if you get something real from Shop GLD, it says GLD on it, ain't nobody gonna believe you that it's real. They need to have some sort of custom like stamp specifically, I feel like, for like the real stuff. Maybe they do, I don't know. Anyway, as you guys know, we have purchased this one in the past. We actually got this one about a year ago on video, and I'm curious to see how it holds up, how it's kind of tarnished over time and stuff like that compared to a new one we're just about to unbox. But you know, they're just known for the crazy watches, boys. We also just unboxed these ones right here. These are always really expensive videos, but we have to review them. It's just like the quality on their watches. You know, I am trying to suck up to them right now because I don't suck up to anyone unless I want money. So I suck up quite a bit, actually. This ain't sponsored at all. They probably won't ever sponsor me. It's the lost cause by now. But man, we've reviewed a lot of fake diamond watches. I'm just gonna say right off the bat, theirs are tenfold the best. Probably the more expensive ones, but they're just better than anything. Alright, boys, I've been stoked to get this. Now, I actually have a couple items in here. We're gonna save the other one for a different video because this one's already a little bit breaking the bank. Ain't making my money back on this one. Oh baby, here she is. Anyway, boys, if you guys don't know, Shop GLD once again put out their newest version of this watch. Hopefully it's better quality, but it is a different style, and I think it's probably their best style yet. Man, this is expensive. 1,200 whatever bucks Canadian or something. It's nuts. Or hopefully that was Canadian. If it's American, well, I'm fine, but my girlfriend's gonna be really mad. Box. I don't like doing proper reviews. They're kind of lame. Box, you see it. It's a nice box, you know? All boxes are nice. Oh, some boxes could be a little shady. You don't want to touch some boxes, but some of these are like these are nice boxes, you know? Good quality. Oh man, this looks crazy. The newest, get that freaking card out of here with Operation of Display and Crown. Don't care. Why would I care? One thing that's cool with this, they come with like a little personal thing to fit it to your wrist. That's sick. Don't really care either, but it's sick. Here's the watch, boys. Now, right off the bat, you can already see the difference. This one's their fully bust down one. Absolutely insane. We're actually just gonna take this cover off right there. Now, the reason I was drawn to this one, not gonna lie, I'm aware, a little bit probably. You can't not, man. It's like still an expensive watch. I could afford the other ones if I wanted to, like a real one, but I don't really get the point of spending that much money when I could buy my Tesla, you know? You see this one right here, boys? This one I'm a big fan of. This one says GLD, and you can really see GLD. Sorry, I'm not a fan of that. This one right here, when it's on your wrist, you can't really see the GLD. You can pass this off as real anytime. If somebody asked me, obviously I would say it's fake because I'm not really good at lying and I don't really see a purpose. But you can pass it off, boys. This thing is absolutely insane. I kind of want to see them side by side. There's really no color difference. This one obviously looks a bit fresher. I have worn this a bit because I did want to do, and it was obviously an excuse to wear it, not gonna lie. I wanted to do like a 1 year wearing this to see how it held up, but we'll just put it in this video back to back with a new one. Having it for a year, it's, you know, it's held up quite well. So these things are stainless steel, yada, yada, yada. They have two different options on this, on the face. God, this is too, I feel like I should smash this thing after. This is too much of a professional review. On the face, we got the Roman numerals. They also have an option of just having like the little tick marks. As you can see on not this one doesn't even have ticks. This one now just looks lame. What is this? Why are you selling, you take it off your website, sell only these. You know, just kidding, but it's nice. You got GLD at the back, just don't show the inside of your wrist, you're Gucci. It's why the guys don't work with me, bro. It's cool, it's all love. Got the big diamonds on the front. What else can you say about it, boys? It's absolutely remarkable. It comes, holy shoot, it comes pre-fit to my wrist. Nope, well, a little bit. Look at the thing shine, boys. It's an absolute beaut, and once again, you can hardly tell it says GLD on it. I get you gotta brand your items. Never gonna give them a hard time for that, but like, a lot of people try to, you know, fake flex, right? Or at least, if you're wearing it, you don't want to see GLD all over it. Unless you do, I don't know. Beautiful piece. Let's bring out the diamond tester. I don't really know what else to say about it. Box, what else is in it? Yeah, it's gold on the inside. Who cares? Diamond tester, diamond tester. I think I broke it. No, did I? I'll find it. All right, boys, so they don't claim anything's gonna pass a diamond tester. It probably won't, but these things are such heaps of garbage where I've just had crap jewelry and it's told, I don't know because it's old, but I've had crap jewelry and this has told me that it's real. I've had good jewelry, it's told me it's, or good looking jewelry, it told me it's fake. So this is just for fun and also kind of helps out with the title. You know what I mean? But it's a little surprise factor on the video. She's all warmed up. We're gonna pick one of the big diamonds. Absolutely nothing. We'll pick one of the smaller diamonds. Nothing. See, it's weird. I think I've done it with other things. I've had a bunch of these. They break. I think you just never trust them. I always say that. That's what it is, boys. There is the full-on look. Obviously, on like all around it, it's just absolutely shiny bust down. I think it was a crazy cool option to add fully iced out face. This thing, it's just sick, man. It's absolutely sick. But you see, that's it. I'm not gonna go through, whoa, is it waterproof? How many meters? You know, does it tick right? We don't care. If you do care, check the website. Watch a better review. Appreciate y'all for watching. We're the game the greatest of all time. Y'all are good. It's Blau. Another cup of coffee time. Let's drain away our sorrows. I have quit DRUNKing, by the way, so we're good. We're doing well, boys.